Hi, so I'm trying to do unboxing here, and I do unboxings very rarely because I'm kind of clumsy person, and well, if I know that I'm doing it on camera, I will be probably double clumsy. But I just wanted to do it because this is my first time of ordering online from this vendor. The vendor is Orchids in Our Tropics in Canada. And I did buy plants from them at the show in person. In fact, my vendor Rachel Diana came from them, Orchids in Our Tropics. But this is my first time ordering online. So I thought it might be useful for Canadian people to see what to expect in terms of packing and plant sizes and overall online ordering from Orchids in Our Tropics. And I also wanted to mention that this package got stuck in Toronto postal office for a week. It was sent out on Monday, and there was absolutely no tracking updates until Friday. And then it came today on Sunday. So normally, without virus, this would be delivered to me on Wednesday probably. It usually takes 1-2 days from Toronto to Ottawa, but due to delays, I got it only now on Sunday, so it took almost a week to get here. So let's see what's inside. So the package is packed for, I guess, cold weather shipping. Now, if things go wrong, I might not even post this video. I don't want to look embarrassing, but plants are in pots, and here's the one. This is Phylogeny. I'm supposed to have Phylogeny here. Phylogeny Lawrenceana Whooper. Look how nicely they packed in between the bulbs with all this fluff. And then it's making sure that the potting medium not coming out. And it's very nice plant. Look how many bulbs there are. And there's a new growth there, new growth there. It's actually a large plant. So this is Phylogeny Lawrenceana Whooper. I like it. I think it's a great plant. So I knew that things would go wrong, but I didn't expect this, and it's my fault. When I unwrapped Cattleya, I was interrupted by my family. And then when I came back and started to unwrap the Paphiopedilums, I forgot to turn on the recording on my phone. So I was unwrapping plants and talking about them, and nobody was listening. But anyways, you will get to see them all unwrapped, which is probably better. So this is Paphiopedilum venostum. I'm not sure, I don't have a size of bloom size venostum in my head. It's probably the correct size. I don't think they are too big plants. It's one growth, but it's pretty healthy, and there is a new leaf growing. And I found there is another label. Originally it came from Tsinghua Orchids. So this is Paphiopedilum venostum. A nice plant. I like it. And another one is Paphiopedilum charlesworthii, or charlesworthii, which actually has 2 growths. So that's pretty nice. I think it's blooming size then, right? If there's 2 growths, it's definitely blooming size. So I didn't see the roots yet. I will see them when I will repot. But overall, plants look pretty good. So here are my new plants all repotted into fresh bark mix. I mix my bark with perlite, and I've added also a little bit of charcoal. I see other people using charcoal, so I decided to start using it too. The plants actually are really, really awesome. Phylogeny has five new leaves on this plant, and there was a decent root system, so this plant will become huge soon when all these 5 new growths will actually grow. It's going to be a big plant. I'm very happy with this one. That's Phylogeny larsiana, big whooper. Really nice one. And the Venustum had nice root system with lots of new tips growing. You can see them here. Lots of roots on this one. And the Charlesworthy has 2 growth, and there's decent root system too. There's not as many new tips growing, but the existing ones are pretty firm and healthy roots, so it should be doing great. I decided to put these two plants inside the tank because they're quite small. I think they will appreciate it. And this is the Cattleya. As I said, there is a new growth happening there, and it's got large bark. I usually use the bark that I buy in bulk in a large bag, and then I sort them. The pieces, they're not uniform, but then I sort them. Larger ones go for Cattleyas or Phalaenopsis, and the smaller pieces here, they go for something with finer roots. Anyways, the Cattleya had really nice roots too, so you can see them in see-through pot. It's a really nice plant. So that's my purchase from Orchids in Our Tropics. Really nice order, really nice plants. I'm happy with it. I think I will order some more plants from them. And yeah, check them out. And wish me luck with these plants. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.